Okay, this is an unboxing of the Tire Inflator. It's pretty tight squeeze in the box. There's the case. Here's the user manual. The zipper opens up pretty smoothly. There's where you plug into the tire. There's a little bit extra accessories, different adapters. There's the button, the PSI, so it closes smoothly. Zipper doesn't have any issues. It is quite a tight fit though. Has a little handle. Okay, this is the tire inflator. Here's the on button. I already have it hooked up to the cigarette lighter. There's a light. Here's the adapters. And so I'm gonna add some pressure to the tire here. Plug it in, and it'll be PSI. And it tells you the indicator. And that's how quick it is. Of course, when you take it off a little bit, it'll release some, but for the most part, it just stays. That's it.